The offset command. The offset command is used to make a shape that parallels the shape of another object. For example, if I wanted to make a shape of this spline that followed the contours of that spline, I would use the offset command. There are several ways to begin the command. You can pick on the offset icon on the modified toolbar. You can pick on the offset icon on the modify panel of the ribbon, or you can type O and press enter. At that point, you're going to be prompted to specify an offset distance. For the first offset distance, I'm going to enter 0.5 and press enter. Next, I'm prompted to select the object to offset. In this case, I'm going to offset this vertical line a half an inch to the right. So I select this line, at which point I'm prompted to specify a point on the side to offset. So I move my mouse to the right, anywhere, doesn't really matter, and just pick. And it creates an image that parallels this shape right here. It's a half an inch apart. I can pick this line and pick anywhere to the right of it, and it offsets that one and a half an inch to the right. And as you can see, I'm still in the command. Any object that I selected now, I could offset a half an inch. If I were to pick here and pick to the left, it would offset that line to the left. Now let's say that I want to offset this line 1 inch to the right. I can't do that without ending the command and putting a new offset distance in. So I'm going to press escape and end the command, and I'll go pick on the icon for offset on the modified toolbar, and I'm prompted again to specify an offset distance. I'm going to type 1.00, which is a 1 inch offset. Press enter. It says select object to offset. That's my prompt. I'm going to pick anywhere to the right, and I will get a 1 inch offset between these two entities here. If I select this line and move to the left, it offsets that line 1 inch to the left. Again, I'm in the command until I press escape. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Press escape. This time I'm going to pick offset from the ribbon. I'm prompted to specify an offset distance. This time I'm going to type 0.375 and press enter. I'm going to select this circle and pick anywhere outside that circle, and it will offset a shape that parallels the original circle that's 0.375 inches away from the original. I can pick the original again and pick to the inside. I can pick that copy and pick to the inside. I could try to do it again and offset this to the inside, but there's not enough room, so nothing's going to happen if I do that. I could pick out here and pick to the outside again like that. It works the same way with entities like rectangles. If I select a rectangle and pick anywhere outside the rectangle, it will offset that 0.375. If I select the original and pick to the inside, I can offset that. If I pick this one and try to pick on the inside, there's not enough room to offset this rectangle 0.375 to the inside, so nothing happens. I'm going to hit escape, and I'm going to start the command again. I'm going to type O and enter. And I'm going to type a new offset distance of 0.75 and press enter. I'm prompted to specify the object to offset. In this case, I'm going to pick this spline. I'm prompted to specify a point on the side to offset, so I'm going to pick above the spline, doesn't matter where, I'm going to pick, and it offsets that shape 0.75, and you'll notice that the new shape parallels this shape exactly, but it's actually a little bit bigger than this shape, because when it makes that copy, it has to get bigger. Likewise, if I pick this one and pick below it, it makes a shape that parallels the original shape, but is actually smaller than the original shape because there's not enough room to make one any bigger than that.